What's going on, family? Today I'm cooking for y'all a little curry chicken. So we got our clean chicken washed with lime and water, and we're gonna add our veggies. We have onions, green and orange peppers. Got them chopped up nice and good for you. Just add them on in there. Come on now, don't be cute now. There we go. Get them on in the bowl. We'll save that shallot for a little later. You look lonely now. Now we're gonna add, we got our seasoning. We're gonna add our salt. Got our pepper. Keep it simple. And we have a mixture of red, spicy, and Caribbean curry powder. Alright? It's gonna give it that flavor, that punch of flavor it needs. So we're gonna let this marinate. After we mix the seasoning up, we're gonna let it marinate for a little bit. Alright, we're good to go. So we gotta get in there. Now don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. But with this curry, as you're gonna see later, you know, that curry will stick with you. Stay on your hands and that smell. It'll stick with you for sure. Alright, so make sure it's mixed in. Make sure everything is mixed properly. The smell is amazing. I wish I could smell it, man. Maybe one day if I can cook for y'all. Gonna squeeze the onions and the green peppers, the peppers. Let that flavor come forth. Come forth flavor. Mix it real good. After we mix it, prepare some oil. Heat some oil on the side here. I'm gonna add a little more. Using extra virgin olive oil. Alright, now it's time to burn the curry. So we add the curry to the hot oil. We go ahead and add the shallots now. Let's brown them up and build that level of flavor. And this technique, it pays dividends in the end. You really taste the nuttiness and the pungent curry flavor. So let's give it a stir. Now it's time to add the chicken. The chicken's been marinating for a few hours. We'll add it straight into the pot. Add it straight in. We're gonna let this stew down. We're gonna let it cook down. Let the chicken brown, let the veggies brown before we finish the process. Let's get everything in the pot. We'll let the chicken cook down from here. Listen, family, if you like the content, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. If you got any food ideas, let me know. I'm here to cook for you guys. Now that we got the color that we want, now it's time to add the chicken broth. I use 1 cup, followed by another cup of water. And, you know, this is completely up to you, but I use 1 can of coconut milk, and it adds just another level of creaminess and another depth of flavor. Let that thing simmer. Oh, man. You ready to eat, right? So I let it cook down just a little bit more before I plate it. Guys, quick curry chicken, coconut milk, and a bed of rice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks again, guys. See you soon.